Whoa. Look at that. No. It's no. Hello. A day in life of how I look after a dog, yeah, pretty much. This is Ace, he's running away out here. Yeah, that's how he usually is. The poo bag. One of the most important things you can have when you look after a dog. We'll have a few snack and snack. This dog has more snack than me. And now for the exciting part, we're picking up a poo. Come on. Damn, it smells. I do not like this. Hey, you wanna come? Naughty dog. Oh. They look very fresh. That's the worst part of having a dog. It's very exciting. So this is the first time I'm taking him out to a park, and we'll see how he goes. No, I think he pooed. No way. Hey. It's a nice day to be out here. Pretty calm and cool. Okay. Yeah, he won't listen once he's out. Ace, come here. What you stop peeing? Come back here. Come on, come. I'm not too sure what's wrong with this dog, but they seem to be always peeing, like pretty much everywhere. Not about much, but just little by little. Alright, just got back home, sitting down, and look at Ace. Doesn't want to go anywhere away from me, huh? He's always making a run for me, so I'm just gonna let what he wants to do. Ace, do you want to come here? Come on. Alright, he won't listen, that's it. Goodbye.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Very good.